It really is a pig's life, isn't it? Beautiful. Hi, mister. These are called Coon pigs, and they have wattles, I'm told, which I think that is the wattle. If you can see it there, it hangs down. Sorry, that is the wattle there. That, I believe, is the wattle I'm told about that hangs down. Can't see it on the other ones, just that. But yeah, coons, they're a smaller pig. A smaller... There we go. His friend's coming over. Oh, you're beautiful, aren't you? Look at you. Come to your friend. He's munching on something. He's certainly enjoying something. How are you both doing? Your friends there, look, they're all having a nice rest. That's the pig's life, isn't it? Nice and easy. Nice and slow. There we go. Beautiful. That's the way to do it.